Check out this Ford 2017 F-150 XLT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include rear-wheel drive, power steering, ABS, 4-wheel disc brakes, brake assist, aluminum wheels, tires, front all-season tires, rear all-season and conventional spare tire. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.